Would you want me to have a few more inches?
No.
Why if you pitch up like patty bag? What's up everybody? Pleasant good night. How are you all doing? I'm here right now with a video that I requested of her to do. This is the lovely Angel Bobby Ram, Queen B. She says she not drop off her last name. She's gonna name Bobby Ram White. Long piece of name.
You start a hatred?
Nope. But as you can see in front of us, we have the lie detector test.
Why we have the lie detector test?
Because we want to test the liars in this house. So I'm not gonna be the one who's gonna be tested. I am testing her to see if she have been kept telling us the truth.
I got bathroom man come.
No. Why you want
pee?
so quick?
Pee.
Why? Imagine just start talking and you're nervous.
Alright, building.
You can't keep still for 2 seconds. No, we have a good video right here, so I just want to prove my point that she lying.
This is a little machine. The last time we did a video, though, you say no factual.
No, here one no.
They change your mind.
If I can't find that clip on the internet, you're lying on me. This is what I say. I carry go on my bridge now and tune it up and replace a couple of things on the back. And that's why I know say good enough. See. So let's listen to me.
Okay.
Alright. So I have a few questions right here to catch her with. Okay.
No, you're going to ask first and when me answer.
I know.
Okay.
Why
Does that help you?
You're moving very.
Can I say you want to catch your legs in the house? So me I help him.
You're very Gigi.
I go say. What?
I just want to test if your very existence is a lie. Okay.
Wow.
Have you ever slapped me in my face while you was angry after I just spoke to you?
No. But you wouldn't know that.
Hold on, probably I misinterpreted my question. Alright, come hold on. Let me miss out one word.
Ah.
Have you ever thought of slapping me in your mind after we just don't speak to you about something we not agree with?
Yes.
See, I know. Can see it on your face. So I live violence.
No, me and I'm a man.
No, but why you that in your mind?
Because I'm a man. I'm making me in control of my own mind.
I mean, never try to lick in my mind.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Don't do me that. You see, you're wicked. You are wicked. You see your little face?
Kitty.
But now I laugh with you that, man. I tell them.
But then I understand that joke.
I tell them. Come. Have you ever took advantage of me in my sleep?
Yes. I don't want to elaborate.
No, I just want to ask a question. When you are asleep, you trouble you?
Yeah.
How much trouble
You
you?
cock up on me.
Bro.
You shot me with my panty.
Me shot you in the pants
You
in your
pull
sleep.
me underwear and like when you want something, you
In your
pull
sleep.
it. Well, when me a doze off. Like if me say me a go sleep and you want little.
Babe,
Well, it's in my sleep.
Babe, it's in your sleep, babe. Babe,
No, you don't trouble
once
me.
you are asleep,
You
babe,
video
you
me in
asleep.
my sleep.
Oh,
That
me
you still take
Me
advantage.
show you how you look.
Yeah, but you still take advantage of me.
Have you ever posted me on my... No. Have you ever posted yourself on my status?
No.
God is watching you.
I've never, when have I ever done that? You wouldn't know.
No, but it's something.
Unless you don't watch your story them to see what did they.
I don't watch the story then.
I don't do that.
Have you ever dreamt about cheating?
Yes.
You better make sure this wrong, you know.
A dream about cheating, or I was cheating in my dream. Which question you ask?
You see, oh, when you have your dream and you come bother me and tell me about your
But
dream.
I'm a dream.
No, but why? So, are your dream and that's supposed to cover it now. And when you dream and come bother me about something, you're supposed to take it serious. Man, if you take it serious now.
Is it?
That video almost not done live for a while here. Have you ever stolen anything from me?
No. Sticky.
This a thief, yeah. You have to do that. You're thief for money, there. You're thief for money, man.
It come one time the seat in your pants pocket and me a wash.
Look a while, me forget back $1,000. That's some minutes ago. And 250 per the table. I'm see your money, I see money. I say instead of the thing the girl that goes up for your money, me just see her palm them stretch wide.
You mean like that?
And because the thief in front of us, man, that means the thief, you're a thief, see me.
Well, when me a wash, I see money.
Me not talk about
Me not
washing.
care how much.
Never did talk about washing. Because somebody will
And
come
me take up
somebody
a
will
little
come below.
silver them.
Because that's your pay when you're washing clothes, man. I don't talk about that.
But baby, no want a little silver them to be put in a my silver
You
pan.
can't. Oh, you know me no want them.
Because you would have put them in a your silver pan.
Bro, if you see me think them about the place, I'm gonna give you, and it's not yours. Cause alright, you love chocolate carrot and you start put me on to it and I like it. See? If me go in the fridge go see one flavor where I not for me, you know me not pull it? You're the clan thief, man.
Yes.
Alright. Have you ever kissed me and was like, it mouth not smell right in your mind?
Yes. I guess it's a like man girl.
There's nothing wrong with that. Why you never tell me?
Sometimes, just like a while ago, you just eat the food with the whole heap of onion. Just a while ago, I said, babe, kiss me before I go bed. And you kiss me and I said, onion scent. Not like me hate onion, but it did just have the onion scent.
Other than from onion scent, like you kiss one time, my mouth does not smell good to you.
Yeah, in the morning when we wake up.
You never tell me.
No, other time that did it.
Why you never tell me?
In the morning,
Yeah.
because I know when I get up out of the, we not even start with the day yet, we just wake up and kiss each other. We normally do that. So I'm not going to just say, babe, can you go get up and brush your teeth? Every morning you wake up, the first thing you do, you use the bathroom, you brush your teeth. You pee, you brush your teeth.
Have you ever smelled my arm and didn't tell me?
No. No. You don't even carry body odor.
Alright, so get rid of that one then. Would you want me to have a few more inches?
No.
Why you feel scratch up like patty bag? Why you feel scratch up so?
Yeah, no. I'm good with them, I have. It's good.
You know when you edit that video because I want people to see your raw emotions.
So don't edit the video, show it on the editor.
Just post it. May I ask again, can you see your face crush up like patty bag? Do you want me to have more inches on my penis?
No. I don't know my name, so.
May I ask again, can you say you don't know him, so? Would you want me to have more inches on my body? My body?
No.
You better come right 3 times, you know?
Babe, I'm good with it.
No, you can't tell this that though.
Babe, I'm good with it.
No,
You're
that's
good.
all like when I say you can go on.
Babe, you know say it bend, so if it never bend, it would have the length.
So it doesn't have the length.
Babe, it
Can't see what I get back no more than this. Don't touch me, you know. If it did never been, it have the length. So basically, I do have the length.
Babe, I have the length. I'm just saying it's good, but if it's straight out, it inch what you think you would have need, it's there. It's just that it
For the
TMI.
Lord is my shepherd. I shall-
Come here.
What? What?
It.
What? Oh, you have the poop?
No.
Oh, if you do just pause.
Wait, repeat perfect question. Wait. While together with me, have you sent a selfie to another female?
Yes. My sister. Oh, get up. Get up. Cause you want fight if it makes me for. But you want me if you have more inches. Get up. Shit. Yo, God. Get up. Get up. Stand up. Oh yeah, this is my sister. So yeah, where are you this one?
Should I be specific? Let me ask again.
No. Hold on, one question I never asked you about a second one.
Which one?
Have you ever prepared dinner for us while your hand was dirty?
No.
Yeah, see, maybe
You know he's a clean girl.
Yeah.
Bye guys. Cameraman, take it away. Chop chop.
Finally, I get comfortable with saying that I'm not a cameraman.
Aww.
Stop filming me.